Hiccups, tiny spasms, big embarrassment. Let's fix that. Hiccups are sudden spasms of your diaphragm. The diaphragm is the muscle that helps you breathe. A tiny nerve misfire tells the diaphragm to twitch, usually the phrenic nerve or the vagus nerve. Your vocal cords snap shut. Classic hic. Triggers: eating too fast, carbonated drinks, sudden temperature changes, even stress. Most hiccups stop on their own in minutes. Try these simple tricks: holding your breath, sipping cold water, swallowing sugar, gentle valsalva. Those tricks usually reset the nerve. If hiccups last more than 48 hours, see a doctor. Could be a sign of something more serious. Now go impress someone with your new hiccup science.